Hi, Paul here. I want to show you how to make a video slow motion in Movavi Video Editor. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel. You can also share it with your friends. Now let's begin. Now I have two videos here which I'll show you how to demonstrate. I'll just pull this one in my timeline here. Then I'll just play it. Let me cut it where this guy enters with the motorbike, maybe somewhere here. I'll just come here and cut it, then delete this part here. Just like let me undo. So click this and delete only this smaller section there. Then the next thing I'm going to do, if I play, you see the guy is going fast, but we want to make the video slow motion. So what do? I'll just come here and add more options. Then I'll come to slow motion here. I'll come to slow motion here. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to select the clip. Then I'm going to pull this slider like this. If you're very keen, if you look at the timeline, the clip is becoming longer and longer. So if I play, see it has become slow motion like that. You can even increase the rate of slow motion, maybe I put up to the end. You see how it becomes so long. If I play, you see how slow it has become. So you can always play around with this slider here to put slow motion. Let's try with another clip. Now I have another clip here with the vehicles or cars. Let's play it. You can see the cars are moving very fast, but I want to put slow motion. I'll come again here under more options, then I'll just come and choose slow motion. Then you make sure you select the clip, it will be in yellow. It shows the selection. So maybe if I pull this, like so, then see right now the vehicles are becoming slow motion. Now if I click this original tone, see what happens, listen to the sound. Yeah, so that is how to put slow motion in videos. It's that simple. You can always play around with this slider here, and that is it. So subscribe to my channel and also make sure you watch the next video.